Make a great choice today with the 2014 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, front-wheel drive, universal garage door opener, trip computer, compass, fog lights, clock, outside temperature gauge, Uconnect hands-free group, equalizer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.